Hey guys, welcome back to my new video where I'm going to show you absolutely brand new strategy that you are not going to find in any other YouTube channel, because this is a strategy that I have made myself during my trading career, and we are going to make $1,000 portraits. So this video is going to be absolutely interesting. Watch this video till the end so that you don't miss any information that I'm going to provide you in this video. Now these information are actually going to help you to make profit for long term while you are trading binary options, especially inside pocket option. And also, if you want to copy my trades automatically into your pocket option account, then do join my free Telegram channel. Link will be in the description of this YouTube video and also in the first comment below. Just follow the instructions there and start to copy my trades automatically into your pocket option account. So see, when I was just starting out while trading binary options, at that time I used to make a lot of loss. And if you are new to binary options trading, then um, you may be realizing that there are lots of losses that you are making, and absolutely that is the thing that everyone faces while doing binary options trading. So what I used to do is I used to see the indicators, various trading strategy, and I used to implement those things, and at some point it may work, at some point it may fail, and when it start to fail it keeps on failing and we make the loss. That thing happens with everyone and it is repeating in this world, with those who are trading binary options. Then now later I realized by myself, if I want to make the profit while trading binary options, then I need to have a different vision. Like, let's say I'm using certain strategy, and if it starts to fail, then I try to reverse the strategy, and several times it worked. So I'm going to, on the basis of that, I'm going to teach you something. So try to understand, because I make videos that are different from other people, okay? So that I can make you understand how trading works. Because if you realize, sometime I remember once I was doing forex trading, and the market started to go above, okay, and I was selling at that time, okay. So I used to make trade by saying that it will fall down, okay. It didn't fall down, it moved a little bit more up, so I sold from there also, and I keep on doing that, and I made huge loss at that time. I will never forget that day, okay. I made lots of loss. I don't even want to talk about that thing. And at that time I realized, if I had reversed that strategy at that time and sold, I mean, if I had square off that position where I've sold and start to buy at that point, then I could have definitely make the profit, but I didn't do that. And because of that, I made loss. So in this video, I'm going to show you that exact thing, how you need to have that mindset to reverse the thing while you are doing trading. So for this, I'm going to just select all of this currency pair that has over 90% payout and put all of this currency pair at above. And also, if you want to use non-OTC pair, that is fine, but at this time it is not available here, so that's why I'm using OTC pair to show you this strategy. Another thing you need to do is you need to select the candles and select M1 as your trading time frame. That means each of your candles are forming in 1 minute time frame. Similarly, if it is flag at here, make it clock and then click on here and select M1 as your trading time frame. Now just decide the amount that you want to invest in each trade. So now in case of indicator, just click on here and we'll use ZigZag indicator for this example. So if you see ZigZag indicator, here you can see these are the lines of ZigZag. So simply, whenever these lines, here you can see, if it goes straight up, that means market is going up. If it is falling down, then market is falling down. Simple concept. There is nothing unique. Here you can see lots of time ZigZag indicator is walking at here. So it is going up, market is falling down. Okay, here it is a little bit consolidation, and again up, down. Okay, similarly up, down, and here a little bit consolidation, and up, down. It's fine. Okay. So now what I look in this kind of phase is like this kind of place where the consolidation is happening, or market, it is saying that market is falling down. ZigZag is saying market is falling down and it is falling down. But whenever here you can see, if it says market is falling down, then it is not falling down. In middle here you can see it have started to move up. These kind of points I see for trading. And whenever ZigZag is showing market is falling down, and it starts to move up, at that time I make trade by clicking on higher. It is as simple as this. Okay, you can do it with lots of other indicators. I'll show you by making trades here. Here you can see a little bit consolidation is happening, or it is trying to move up. Okay, I'm not looking for this kind of place. I'm actually looking for this kind of place where it shows market is falling down. Okay, but it is not falling down at the moment. Here you can see, so it says market is falling down. Okay, sorry, going up, but it is struggling to go up, and the consolidation is trying to happen at this point. I could see whenever if it starts to move up, then I'll not make the trade. Okay, but if it starts to fall down at that point, at certain point, I will start to make trade. I'll exactly show you what I'm talking about. So let's keep on searching. So here you can see it is saying the market is trying to go up. Okay, but it starts to fall. Okay, it has started to fall, and anywhere at this point I would make trade by clicking on lower. So let's go and find a place where you can, here you can see market have gone up above at up to this much. Okay, as you can see, this the kind of thing I'm talking about. So zigzag is showing that it is trying to fall down, but it has start to move up. At certain point I would have made the trade. So here you can see it is saying market is going up, but market is trying to fall here. Okay, so I could take the risk here at any point and make a trade. Okay, I can even make a trade here, but I could wait for the confirmation, but I could have made trade here. Here you can see market is saying it is going up, a consolidation is trying to happen, and market is trying to fall down. So this is one of the best place where I could definitely make trade, but I could have made trade anywhere at here, but it has fallen a little bit at here. So now when the timer is over, I could make another trade. Here you can see market have started to fall down here. So let's wait and see if we can get an entry anywhere at here in the downtrend. Okay, so if the timer hits 1 second, I will take the risk and make the trade here. Market have fallen too much. Okay, but still I'll make a trade. I could have made trade anywhere at here, and that could have been a better place for me. And here you can see now what happens. This kind of line also, you can see that it will start to show that market is falling down. Zigzag will start to show in these kind of cases sometimes. Okay, so here you can see market is falling down. But one thing you need to remember, okay, no matter whatever strategy, whatever concept you use while making trades, okay, anything can go wrong at any time. So once you have made the trade, don't get attached to that trade. Okay, just keep on seeing, and if it is profit, that's fine. If it is not, then that's also fine. Leave it and move to another trade. Okay, in that kind of mindset you need to make while trading. So it seems like we are going to make the profit at here, but what happens sometimes suddenly it moves up and we make the loss also. The 7 second remaining. Here you can see, just I have told you, and it started to move up and we made the loss. This kind of thing happen. Now if you get too much attached to this kind of trading, then you will suffer from the psychological tension or imbalance. Okay, so let's find other places where we can make the trade. So here you can see market is saying it is going to fall down. Okay, but it has started to move up, so you can take a risk anywhere. So again it has started to move up, so let's not it this time it have moved too much up. Okay, so at these places are the place where you need to make the trade. So let's find another place. So here also you can see one example, like it's saying market is falling down, but it had started to move above. At these points we could have made profit. So here also same thing. Okay, let's find. Here also you can see market have started to move up when zigzag is showing that it will fall down. So let's find better place where we can make the trade. So here you can see market is saying it will move down. Now it have started to move in opposite direction. Okay, and you can find some point where you can make the trade. You can wait for this candle to close. Okay, so let's wait for some time and see if we can get an entry at here. So yeah, this would be a good place for me to make a trade. Okay, so that's why I made it at here. Now, if market falls down, then I would be able to make the profit. In previous trade, we made a mistake. We have to made we should have made trade at anywhere in anywhere at the above, but we made too much below. That's why we made the loss. Now certainly this trade can give us profit. So let's wait and see what happens in this trade. And guys, if you want to make trade by using the 5 second strategy, then I have one video where I have shown you how I was able to increase my $10 into $2,500 by making 13 trades right in a row by using a simple strategy. You can watch that video. It will appear anywhere at the screen at the end of this video. You can click on it here. You can see same pattern have been repeated here also. So we have made profit in here. So in this way, you can find lots of places where you can make the trade.